In front of me is OPPO A5x, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by tapping on Devices Settings and scrolling down to click on Apps. Then click on App Cloner and tap on one of those recommended apps over here, or select Other Apps option and pick one of those. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, after picking an app, use gray switcher next to Create App Clone and wait. When your clone is ready, hit Rename App Clone and type in whatever you want to. Then hit Save and hit Default App to open and hit one of those options. Always ask Original App or App Clone. When you finished, go back. So when I check, as you can see, my app was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, you can always go back to the same settings and use no blue switcher next to Create App Clone. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!